Floating into number 7 in our countdown of extreme strength is the strongest animal in the Amazon. There's only one creature out here with enough muscle to make our countdown, and it's not the Cayman crocodile. The anaconda is number 7 in the countdown because it's strong enough to squeeze the life out of anything. But how can a snake kill a croc? To find out, you just have to ask Peter Taylor from the St. Louis Zoo.
Snakes asphyxiate their prey when they're using constriction as a method by biting, using the neck as the first coil, and then several of the mid-body coils, which have a lot of power, and just tightening up, just as the snake is doing with some effect right now on my arm. You can see there's very little space there, and if I had a lung inside that arm, I would not have room to breathe, and that would be a big problem for me or for a small prey item. So it's a muscular tightening of the coils and a rapid taking up of the slack in between, a little like this.
All that muscle can be deadly. But to really get to grips with how muscles work, you need to know that there are actually 3 kinds of muscle. There's every reason to be scared of this snake. The anaconda is the heaviest snake in the world. It can weigh more than 3 men. And since the anaconda never stops growing, eventually the snake can become long enough to wrap itself around a school bus. So catching animals even the size of a deer should be no problem. Luckily for the deer, the anaconda is built for strength, not speed. So instead of chasing its prey, this snake lurks in the murky shallows, just waiting for an opportunity to wrap its lunch in a deadly embrace.